Hello, I'm Carolina Mendez, your real estate agent in Florida. Today I want to show you this amazing property that I have for sale in Pembroke Pines. This is a 2 bedrooms, 2 bathroom condominium in the community of Century Village. I want to show you this specific area, which is the view from the porch and the living room, dining room, and even from the kitchen. This is the porch, and it is screened. Look at that, isn't that wonderful? Even the flooring here in the porch is tiled with the same tile as throughout the entire condominium. This is the view of the living room and of the dining area. As you can see, it is very ample and you have lots of space for your big or small dining room, as well as for your couch and different furniture for your entertainment. This community includes cable and internet in its monthly maintenance. I want to show you also right now the master bedroom. It also has a very good size. As you can see, this bed is big and it fits perfectly well, as well as leaving you space for all types of furniture, bedside tables, dressers, and everything. This property is being sold without the furniture. So we have left the furniture in here for your imagination. So you can imagine where your furniture is going to be and how is it going to look like in this condominium. Let's look at the view from the bedroom. Just imagine waking up to this amazing sky and lake here in Florida. Let me come and show you the bathroom. Excellent illumination. Is just so nice. The door is here encased in the wall, and also, as you can see, you have a shower here in the master bedroom. The closet is very big and large. I'm not going to show you right now because there's personal property which we're going to remove as soon as we can before closing. I want to make emphasis about some features in this property. The air conditioning is only 2 years old, meaning that it has lots of time to cool you down. Also, there's no popcorn in the ceilings anywhere here in the property. No popcorn. I don't know if you can see right now the texture on the wall. It has a treatment called knockdown. So, which is very appealing. Now I want to show you the kitchen because we have so much glare that we're having like a dark area here in the living room. Well, let me move around so you can see how well lit this living room and dining room is. You see? So, okay, let's go ahead and let me show you the kitchen. Let's look around it. There's a pantry, a good size space for a refrigerator if you want to set a new one. It comes with a refrigerator, electrical range and oven, microwave, and the dishwasher. Just look at the upper part. Here, as you can see, You have a very good space if you want to place more cabinets towards the end of this wall, or also a table if you want to have breakfast or use it as a cutting area for your food. There's literally lots of space in here. Let me show you the entrance. When you enter, this is what you see. So you have the kitchen in this area, and then you have the second bedroom here. As I told you, this property is being sold without the furniture. It's only here for you to think and imagine the space and how your furniture is going to fit in here. There's also a closet, which is very ample. And also I want to show you this. The bathroom again, this is the second bedroom, also with excellent cabinets and a mirror. This one, you have here a bathtub and a shower. The master bedroom has a shower, and this one, you have a bathroom with a bathtub and a shower. Let me show you where the washer and dryer are located. They are here, so closing the door, you are not going to have them on site. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me through my email, through my WhatsApp, 954-918-3870, through my email, Carolina Mendez, realestate@gmail.com. Please subscribe and like this video and show it to your friends. I'm sure they're going to love this condominium as much as I do. I have been selling properties here in Century Village for quite some time. And they have an excellent clubhouse with shows, entertainment, dance, bingo, cinema, and also you have something which is, to me, is very convenient. It has free transportation from the entrance of each building to the clubhouse. They also have a well-designed timetable for the transportation from the clubhouse to the shopping centers and to the supermarkets. They also offer many entertainments throughout the year, so you can have a full agenda and just enjoy as much as you want and can. If you own a property here, you may have already heard about me, but if you haven't, or if you have heard about me and you want to know about the many things that I offer to my customers when I sell or buy properties here, reach out to me. Subscribe to my channel here, also like this video, and I invite you to share it with your friends. And let me know if you have questions. I'm going to be posting the description here in the comments, but if there's anything that you really need to know, just contact me directly. Remember, I'm Carolina Mendez, your real estate agent in Florida. Thank you. Thank you for watching me.